I've always liked to play with fire.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Crank It Up. It's by Pro Fireworks and also by Black Diamond Fireworks. I got this at Pro. It's a 13-shot, 200-gram cake, as you see. This is what the performance reads if you guys want to pause the video. But anyways, and this is what the tube layout looks like. Pretty decent sized shots. And there's also angles, so hopefully I can get the angles on video. But anyways, let's demo off Crank It Up by Pro Fireworks and Black Diamond. All right, guys, here goes Crank It Up by Pro Fireworks. There we go. Crank it up.
From last year. How do you not remember me? Your voice.
Not bad, really good.